Hey everyone, welcome back to IGL Coatings Myths and Facts. In this episode, we're bringing life back to black plastics, and we're testing out if our favorite snack, the peanut butter, is up to the challenge. Bonus, we're comparing it against some other common household products including ECOSHINE Dash and ECOCOAT trim. Who will be the winner? Let's check it out. Before we get started, here's why plastics fades. Sun heat and elements cause porous plastics to degrade or oxidize on a molecular level, fading plastics faster with more exposure. Over time, oils near the surface start to degrade and dry out, leading to the white discoloration. Now, let's see our contenders.
Ready?
First off, we have cooking oil. Nice glossy slickness. Looks good, but may be slippery for everyday use. Next, we have smooth peanut butter. It's darker, maybe a bit messy, and we're not too sure about the ants. We're introducing petroleum jelly next. And wow, it already looks much darker than the other two. Fourth contender, WD-40 is up on the plate. An easy application, and it does restore that black, a little bit more gloss too. ECOSHINE Dash is contender number 5. Quick and easy application, nice black gloss right there, and you got to love the lavender after scent. Lastly, ECOCOAT trim. Easy layering, and we're just making sure that it overlaps for extra protection. Remember to get into the nooks and corners too.
One eternity later.
Fast forward to 1 month later, we are able to see some differences. Cooking oil has lost some of its shine from the originals. The peanut butter is long gone, a little bit sticky but mostly faded. It originally gave off a nice sheen, but we'll call that a fail. The petroleum jelly is still impressive after a month with a bit of a waxy feel. WD-40 has started to fade. Surprisingly, we thought it would do as well as the petroleum jelly. For a short-term plastic protector, ECOSHINE Dash is still looking good. No oily residue with a nice black shine to it, but we can see a little bit of fade seeping in. And ECOCOAT trim is still holding the fort. What's the difference? Well, the homemade hacks are heavy in oils. These restore plastics for a short period of time. A ceramic coating like ECOCOAT trim from IGL Coatings, however, impregnates and forms a strong chemical bond that cross-links on the surface. This prevents the oils from escaping, restoring, and protecting hard plastic surfaces against UV damage and fading. That's all from us. Like this episode? Follow, like, and subscribe. Remember to catch the next episode of Myth and Facts with IGL Coatings. See you next time.
Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.